94.3 पर this is Arjit here with you, and today is a very special day because I am in a very bright, cheerful mood. But I'm going to be talking about a horror story. So now, how cool is that? So of course, as you can see, I am with the very talented Vaibhav Tattwavadi. How are you, Vaibhav?
I'm good, thank you so much, and it's always a pleasure to be in Pune, one of my favorite cities.
You've lived in Pune.
I've stayed here for 4 years, yeah, and like graduation के जो 4 साल होते हैं ना, those are always very close to your heart.
Yeah, yeah.
So जिस city में भी आपने की हो, that city remains
for special reasons.
Yeah, that will have a very special place in your heart.
So
that,
what is that special reason? What did that special thing that you do in those years that reminds you of Pune and that time?
I feel, see, I did my engineering from College of Engineering, Pune, COEP. And those 4 years, I think, I time and again I say the same thing, that it helped me to grow as an actor and as an individual as well.
Okay.
So it turned out to be an engineering cum acting school for me. And
Engineering cum acting school. Okay. Could you elaborate? How did engineering help you learn acting? ये मतलब ये क्या हुआ? मतलब आप पढ़ाई करने की acting कर रहे थे, ऐसे सीख गए?
COEP has one of the best art circles in Pune.
Okay.
And as an artist, it helped me a lot. Like I used to participate in 2 drama competitions. One is Firodia Karandak and one is Purushottam Karandak. So I participated in that, and that helped me a lot to grow as an actor as well.
Okay.
And I cherished those 4 years. Like,
तो घर वालों ने बोला नहीं कि भाई अगर तेरे को एक्टिंग ही करनी है तो तू हमारे इंजीनियरिंग में क्यों इतने पैसे वेस्ट कर रहा है, तो एक्टिंग स्कूल ही ज्वाइन कर ले.
COEP is a government college, so बहुत कम पैसे खर्च हुए हमारे घर वालों के, so they were happy.
Okay, justified. Okay, so you're also a state level badminton player.
Yeah.
That's quite amazing. So you're an engineer, qualified engineer, also a state level badminton player. How did acting happen? Like, was that always, on the plan, or did it just happen?
No, I always see. I'll tell you, badminton and acting, they were going parallel together. In 8th standard, there came a point where I had a shoulder injury, and after that, it took me some few months to recover. And when I came back on the badminton court, I started losing the tournaments.
Okay.
So at that time, I realized that passion is something that it's a path on which you want to walk. Even if you fall on that path, you want to get up and you want to walk again.
True.
Badminton was not that for me.
Yeah.
It was always acting, because I remember when I was in Nagpur, we used to perform plays at Vasantrao Deshpande auditorium.
Yeah.
Our team was of 50 people and the audience used to be 20 or 25, but I still used to love performing that.
Okay.
And that was the point when I realized that
this is my calling.
This is my passion. And of course, today I don't think anyone will, if the moment I step on the court and I start playing badminton, I don't think anyone will believe that I was a state level badminton player, because I'm completely out of touch right now. But yes, even badminton was that taught me the sportsman spirit, I feel. And
I'm sure. I mean, sports is something that always teaches you something, and I guess it's never a waste.
It's never a waste, and you get that killer instinct because of that. At the same time, you have the sportsman spirit as well, which is a beautiful combination.
Now, as you said, if I go on the court now, nobody can tell that I was a state level badminton player. But luckily, when we see you on screen, we can definitely say that you're a fabulous actor. And I think it's huge, because I think today we're living in this, in times where there's so much of content, and there's so much of scope for actors, but at the same time, people are still struggling, to get the right projects, and the ones who are getting the opportunities sometimes are really getting trolled by the audiences. But there are very few people who also get the right projects and they prove their talent, and they're also loved by the audience, and you are definitely one of them. So of course, having worked in Marathi films and then landing up in big projects like Baji Rao Mastani and Article 370, I want to know that. How did you actually, land up doing film with Sanjay Leela Bhansali? And did you think, your start in Bollywood would be so great?
So what happened, I was doing Marathi films. At that time, the casting director Shruti Mahajan and Parag Mehta, they were looking for a guy to play the role of Chimaji Appa.
Correct.
So few of the stalwarts in Marathi film industry suggested my name. Atul Kulkarni sir was one of them.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
Mahesh Manjrekar sir also suggested my name, that there's a guy called Vaibhav Tatwavadi. Just have a look. So then I gave the audition, and one day I just got a call saying that Sanjay sir wants to meet you. I
Wow.
said, okay, I went
So how
there.
was the feeling when you got to know Sanjay Leela Bansali wants to meet you?
It was like, it didn't sink in till the time
It happened.
I actually met him. But it was such a chilled out conversation that he was like, he speaks fluent Marathi, so we were speaking in Marathi only. And he just asked me one thing. He just randomly, casually said, so will you play Shivaji Appa? I said, yeah, of course, I'll do that. But the experience was great. I think I had not performed on such a in a
Magnus
film of that
Magnum
canvas.
opus, yeah.
So the canvas was really different. My first Hindi film was Hunter. So
Hunter.
that was in a moderate budget
Yeah,
film, but
yeah.
100 crore film, like the cost of production is 100
Yeah,
crore.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I had not performed in a film of that.
Sure, I'm
scale, of that
sure you know
scale.
this film. That's why I asked you. You didn't get it because of Hunter. You got it because of the Marathi projects that you had done.
Yeah. So because Hunter happened long time back, and simultaneously the same casting directors, they did cast me for Lipstick Under My Burqa.
Yeah.
So after I was shooting these two films simultaneously, and after that things started falling in place in the Hindi film industry as well. That's what I got lots of love in the Marathi film industry.
Yeah.
But by God's grace, now I'm getting the same kind of love in Hindi film
Hindi
industry
also.
as well. And I think Nirmal Pathak Ki Ghar Wapsi, a web series which I did on Sony Live, that was again a very
Turning
important
point.
project which helped me. Because of that project, what happened? People suddenly started taking me seriously as a guy who can play the lead in a particular project. Because Nirmal Pathak Ki Ghar Wapsi mein I played the role of Nirmal Pathak.
Right.
So the project is on your shoulders.
Correct.
So that helped a lot.
Wow. And what about Article 370? I mean, it's such an important project, and again, so different from the rest of the projects we're talking about. So, any special prep that you did, especially for that film?
Article 370 is a film which is very, very close to my heart.
It's close to even everybody's
absolutely,
heart.
Absolutely. And I remember I got a call from the office of Mr. Dhar, Aditya Dhar. He said that we are directing, we are producing a film which will be directed by a national award director. His name is also Aditya, Aditya Zamhe. So I just went, I met them, and the passion with which Aditya narrated me the whole script, I was like, if you think I can I fit the bill, I'll be more than happy to be a part of this project.
Absolutely.
And within, I guess, few weeks, I got a call that Vaibhav, you're on board. Let's take this forward. So the whole experience was wonderful because you know what, we were trained by actual commandos who have served at the highest level, and I guess that was such a
phenomenal experience
and humbling experience at the same time, because you know, those people they have served the country. And I remember our shooting days, the moment you land in Srinagar, you have army people surrounding you the moment you come out of the airport. और पहली दफ़ा हम जब गए थे वहाँ, तो it was raining cats and dogs. तो I thought कम होंगे अभी इस वक्त, बट उस बारिश में भी आर्मी पीपल वो स्टैंडिंग देयर, और हमारे जितने भी एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे वो रात में शूट कर रहे थे. सो इट वाज व्हाट 2 डिग्रीज और 3 डिग्रीज एंड इट वाज रियली चिली. उस समय भी हमें प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे सीआरपीएफ के लोग. सो आफ्टर आई यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट द एक्शन सीक्वेंस, मेरे लिए वहाँ हीटर रखा जाता था, सब रखा जाता था, पर मुझे शर्म आती थी हीटर के सामने बैठ के, बिकॉज वहाँ वो लोग अभी भी हमें प्रोटेक्शन दे रहे हैं. सो द होल एक्सपीरियंस,
huge respect. I mean, that was
so I truly believe the country belongs to the armed forces. Then it comes to us.
To us, absolutely. But of course, entertainment is also a very important part. We can't deny that. But, so let's talk about the film that we're looking forward to watching now in the near future, A Wedding Story.
Yeah.
देखो नाम तो मतलब ऐसा है कि बड़ा रोमांटिक सा कॉमेडी होगी, बट ये है हॉरर फिल्म. So tell us, of course it's a horror movie, very different genre from the rest of the projects that we're talking about. What is this film all about?
Honestly, you know what, when I was approached for this film, horror genre is a genre which is not really close to my heart. Like a genre which is close to my heart is romance and drama.
Yeah.
So
I mean, look at his face, यार. We the romantic roles दो यार. ये भूत की picture कौन देता है? I hope you're not playing the भूत in the film.
No. More than horror, it's a supernatural thriller. And yes, but yeah, it will come under the
डराएगी तो सही ना?
हाँ, डराएगी जरूर डराएगी. So I remember when I read the script, I was like, I told the producer and director Shubhoda and Abhinav sir, sir मैं तो बड़ा ड्रामा देखने वाला बंदा हूँ. Horror genre is not my genre.
वैसे देखते हो हॉरर फिल्म में?
नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा देखता नहीं हूँ.
डर लगता है देख के?
हाँ, डर लगता है. But I was always fascinated towards drama, towards relationships. तो मैंने कहा सर आवाम में बहुत सारे लोग मेरे जैसे होंगे जिन्हें शायद हॉरर जॉनरा पसंद नहीं आएगा, बट व्हेन आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट आई कैन ऑनेस्टली टेल यू इट्स अ लव स्टोरी. इसका बैकड्रॉप है पंचक, बट इट्स अ लव स्टोरी. सो पीपल हु आर नॉट रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ हॉरर जॉनरा बट दे आर फॉन्ड ऑफ रोमांस एंड ड्रामा, सो वो भी है इसमें. सो इट्स बेसिकली अ लव स्टोरी एंड समय गलत हो गया. दैट इज हाउ आई विल पुट इट इन वर्ड्स.
ओके. तो मुझे बताओ आपको किस चीज से डर लगता है लाइफ में?
रेप्टाइल्स.
ओह सेम.
मतलब आज भी रेप्टाइल मतलब चिपकली. हाँ मतलब और माय फ्रेंड्स दे आर लाइक सांप वगैरह, दे आर सो कंफर्टेबल. आई गेस
तो अगर ऐसी कोई फिल्म मिले आपको जिसमें वो ऐसे सांप डाल दे गले में तो क्या करोगे?
पता नहीं. आई सीरियसली आई जस्ट कांट इमेजिन दैट ना. मतलब
एंड इफ दे साइन अ बिग चेक एंड गिव यू एक तरफ मगरमच्छ, एक तरफ सांप, एक तरफ छिपकली.
सबसे ज्यादा मगरमच्छ से डरता हूँ मैं, सबसे ज्यादा. हाँ. बढ़िया रेप्टाइल से सम. तो
खून भरी मांग टाइप की मूवी अगर आपको ऑफर हुई तो क्या करोगे?
वो एडजस्ट कर लेंगे.
चेक पे डिपेंड करता है.
बॉडी डबल के साथ भी शूट होता है ना, सो दैट्स नॉट अ बिग डील.
वेरी स्मार्ट. और अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताएं इस फिल्म में. व्हाई शुड वी गो एंड वॉच दिस फिल्म इन द थिएटर?
My character's name is Vicky Nain and एक हरफन मौला इंसान है, मनमौजी इंसान है. And it is a character which I'll not say relate to. It's a character which I always wanted to be. I feel एक flamboyance है बंदे में, बहुत flamboyant है और सबका चाहिए है. Unlike me, I'm like always a shy introvert guy जो किसी कोने में बैठा रहता है. But Vicky Nain is like he'll go in the room and he'll just make friends left, right, center. So that's the character. और क्यों देखनी चाहिए? तो it's a beautiful love story.
Okay.
It has family drama. It has वो कहता है ना डर, jump scares at times. So I think it's a package deal and I am sure the audience will love it. और मैं इतनी दरख्वास्त करूँगा सारी ऑडियंस से कि अब तक आपने बहुत मोहब्बत दी है मुझे, तो प्लीज़ 30 अगस्त को हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है. आर्टिकल सीजन 2 हो गई. 30 अगस्त को हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, वेडिंग स्टोरी. सो प्लीज़ थिएटर में जाके ज़रूर देखिएगा.
अच्छा, थिएटर में ऑफ कोर्स ये लोग देखने जाएंगे, बट आप बताएं, आपने टेलीविजन भी कर लिया, थिएटर भी कर लिया, थिएटर द रियल थिएटर, एंड देन यू नो also films, OTT now of course is huge. What do you enjoy doing the most?
The first love for any actor who has done stage will be stage. Yeah.
Super.
So that's from where I started. But I guess फिल्मों का अलग मजा होता है. And once you start enjoying the nitty-gritties and the nuances, कैमरा का भी अलग मजा होता है. But the first love will always remain stage.
क्या बात. All right, all the very best for the film. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here.
Stay as humble as you are, stay as handsome as you are, and stay as versatile as you are.
Thank you so much. Thank you.